What's up, guys? So I'm going. My first official car meet. So hopefully everybody's cool. I'm at the car meet already getting dirty looks from white people. These people, dude. I talked to the chick. It was like, we're welcome here. Just people just acting like assholes. Yeah. Hopefully you can hear me. They said park out front, go in the back. So I'm about to see. I don't know. Just don't want no shit. I come here to get away from that shit. So. up? Leaving now? They just finished. Everybody left. Only people that I was talking to and stuff, they left. It was really just two people that was really just had an attitude for no reason. But one dude, he actually turned out to be cool, you know. But the chick, she still was an a-hole. But yeah, the older couple that you saw, I'm gonna be meeting up with them, I think Wednesday at this other car meet, at this pub and stuff like that. So can't wait for that. But yeah, they said this one they have all types of cars. But yeah, I'ma see y'all when I see you.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.